Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. I have my niece and nephew here and we're going to decorate some cupcakes. But first, they're going to tell you their names. My name's Olivia. This is Olivia.
And I'm Nathan.
And I'm going to go grab the cupcakes and we'll get started. So I have the cupcakes ready. I have a dozen for each of them. And then these are the colors Nathan chose. And these are the colors Olivia chose. And then I have all of these sprinkles and toppings they can use to put on their cupcake. That looks good.
Why is the counter sticky?
A little fresh. Does that look good?
Why is the counter sticky?
I just wiped it. It had sugar on it. So we have sprinkles, marshmallows, Oreos.
They go on after.
These sprinkles, yellow
Everything
sprinkles.
goes on after.
Yeah, I have to go get the icing first. So here's Nate's colors.
So I just squeeze it.
I'll show you. And then these ones are yours, Liv. Okay.
That can be on the picture.
What?
That can be on the picture.
Why not? So I'm going to show you a couple and then you guys can do what you like. I'll show you.
Okay.
So I tied all of these off so the stuff can't come off the top.
Okay.
So it'll be easier. So you can just squeeze it like this. Like
Why
that.
is there a sizzle?
It's the bubbles.
Oh.
The air bubbles. So you can use whatever color you want and you don't have to do this. You could do something like this. Look.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I did it.
You ready?
Stop.
Okay. Beautiful.
Stop.
Okay. That looks good. Look at Nathan's.
Oh.
Oh, I'll get you a napkin. Oh, do you guys want to wear aprons? Okay, yeah, I forgot that.
What are you laughing at?
I just made like a tower of yellow.
Which apron do you want to wear, Liv?
That one.
That one with the hearts?
Yeah.
Am I doing this
I'm
right?
going to
Yeah, looks great.
pull in the washer.
Yeah. That's a great job. Don't forget about all the sprinkles. That looks great. What color is that?
It does like pink.
Yeah. Okay, Nate, what do you got going on here? Explain.
This.
You gotta tell us what you did.
I don't know what I did. This is like kind of a snake.
You guys are better at this than me.
Got a big cake. They are now going to be trees.
Okay.
Oh, rocks. Forest. Rocks. Rocks. Three rocks.
Cool. Those are pretty.
Castle.
Cool.
Oh, the forest.
Is the red berry the castle?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, guys. Okay, Nathan, what's your favorite color? Green. Liv, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Hold it up. Pink. So who are you gonna give all your cupcakes to? You keeping them all for yourself? That one to Grass and that one to Papa. Is it? That looks really good. Whoa, goodness.
I think he ran out of pink.
Oh, that was a good little dab you did there, Liv.
That was
See that?
professional. Look
See
at
what she
that.
did? She pulled it up and then pushed it down.
Woohoo.
I've seen that on the YouTube channel.
There you go, Liv.
Wait, no, I'm gonna make a Smurf. Oh, I
Liv,
have an
good job.
idea. A really good idea.
What's the idea?
Oh, cut one in half maybe.
Nope, the
Oh,
Oreo's gonna
stand
be
up
as
again. I
well.
gotta put this up higher.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna cut it, split it. It's a Cookie Monster. But it's a Cookie Monster. How do you do this?
I think Liv's game was to use all of this.
You don't have to use all the icing, Liv. Save some
Looks
for...
great though.
Looks great, yeah. I don't. They might have to scrape some off to eat it.
Look at that one!
Liv, that's enough icing, honey. You do some other stuff on there.
Thanks for watching cupcakes. Hit that like button.
Hit
Give-
the
give-
like button. I
Want some
ran out of blue.
Oreo cookies, Liv?
No, the blue fell off. That is a lot of icing. My most icing one is probably this one. And that was
Here, Liv, tell us about your cupcakes.
They're good.
Tell us louder.
They're good.
That's good. Nate, tell us about your cupcakes.
they're good.
Cookie Monster.
His mouth is a cookie.
What's this one?
A Smurf.
That's a Smurf. Where's the castle? This one? And the trees. Tell us about yours, Liv.
They're good.
They're good.
I want sprinkles.
Cookie crumble, icing cookie crumble. Icing cookie crumble, icing cookie crumble.
Say, these are my cupcakes.
These are my cupcakes.
Nathan's are just a little bit neater.
Look!
On the Cookie Monster is
That's
covered.
a cookie monster. I know it now. One item was so much on this one.
Okay, put it in. Oh, goodness. Good thing we're not selling these, guys.
We did it.
My hands are dark.
There's cupcake on it.
Which cupcake?
That one.
This one? Well, we have a decent amount of icing. Good choice.
Eat this one.
Any good?
Mmm.
Mmm.
Mmm. Can you help me?
How does it taste?
Good. It's good.
These are Olivia's finished cupcakes. Looking great. And Nathan's.
Yes.
You're not looking great.
What? What'd you say?
The other one.
They're looking great.
The other one is amazing.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.